All right. So I've got multiplying polynomials. An area model means that I'm going to multiply using basically like boxes or Punnett squares. Grids, boxes or grids. I think that's a fine way to say it. Okay. All right. Okay. So here we go. What was x times x again? X squared, we say. Good. What about x plus x? Yeah. Part C, 5x plus another x. 6x. Yep. You guys are on it. Very good. Okay. I did one like this on the board, but 6n squared. All right. New people volunteering. If you've already helped, take a break. So I've got a 3b and a 2b. I do the numbers first. So someone, what's 3 times 2? 6. Yep. And then what about b times b? B squared. This seems like you guys got it. This is excellent. Now I'm adding the same terms because the rules are different when I add. 3b's plus 2 more b's. 5b. All right, the only time I'm going to use an exponent is when I am multiplying two of the same thing. Then I put a b squared. I did not need an exponent for part F. I did not need an exponent for C. So now we start our actual multiplication. What we have here is a binomial, x plus 3 times an x minus 7. So I wrote it along the side. Each box is going to have its own item. A plus sign or a minus sign would go with a number. So this means x times x. In this blank square, what's x times x? We can't be making those mistakes. X times x. X squared. And I'm going to fill in every box. There's 4 different terms. X times 3. 3x. X times negative 7x. The number goes in front. Very good. Hold on. Too fast. Oh, I'm multiplying. So 3 times negative 7. All right, I have 4 terms here. I need to look at them. Well, I kind of noticed that these are the same backpack, right? X to the first power. So I'm going to write it all out. X squared plus 3x minus 7x minus 21. Okay. Like terms, just like we've been practicing, I'll underline them, or maybe you just know and you don't need to underline anymore. It's up to you. But a 3 minus a 7. So I cannot do x squared. Remember, that's like the rolly backpack person. But the 2 terms in the middle, they're alike. The purple, I can put those together. A 3 take away 7. Okay, don't answer every question. Negative 4x. You guys can like cap yourselves off at like 2 volunteerings per day. And then the minus 21 is going to be all by itself. And I'm done. None of these terms can go together. They're all separate. They have different variable, different exponents. So x squared is alone. X to the power of 1 alone. My 21 is a constant. It's just a number alone. My answer is a trinomial. Starting at part B, I am making you do the actual like shading part. This box is not used at all. And so I'll do a 6n and the minus 2 along the top. and the n minus 3. So I'm going to put the negative minus sign with the number. You would never put like 6n minus in a box. Just put the minus sign with the 2. All right. And we're doing like a grid. 6n times another n. 6n squared. All right, table 4, I need your help. No one else, just table 4. A negative 2 times an n. Table 4, negative 2 times an n. Yep, negative 2n. Okay, I'll go down to this lower box. A 6n times negative 3. 6n times negative 3. Table 5, help me. 6n times negative 3. Negative 18n, good. I'll just move right up. Table 7, or I'm sorry, table 6 comes after 5. Negative 3 times negative 2. A 6, a positive 6. Good. Okay. Write it out in order, and any like terms need to be combined. I'm going to start with a 6n squared because that's my largest exponent. It's like the leader. Then I'm noticing that these two are both n to the power of 1. They're going to end up combining. But for now, I'm just going to put minus 2n minus 18n and then plus, plus 6. Thanks. Like terms, these can go together. So put them together. You're not finished until everything is like simplified. Yep. My answer. Start with the biggest exponent, the power of 2, 6n squared. Now I'm at table 7. Negative 20n. Good math. Negative 20n plus 6. Nothing can go together anymore. You're done. Leave it as a trinomial answer. We have to write that. This final answer you do have to write. Yeah. I would like you to try C by yourself. I'll set it up for you. Once you finish your alone work, then look at a neighbor's. Try it alone first before you talk. All right, look at a neighbor's and see if you got the same thing they got. Look at the boxes first, obviously. Yeah. How do you set it up? No, you mean which goes, as long as your like 2m stays with your 5. All right. What's in my upper right box? Yeah, 15m. What's in my lower left box? Good. Lower right. 45. Again, you're seeing how these two go together. All right. 6m squared comes first. Plus 15m. I'm just going in order of the boxes. Plus 18m. Plus 45. And then final step, what went together? Yeah, what was 15 plus 18? 6m squared plus 33m plus 45. Don't work ahead of me because I'm skipping a lot. So don't work ahead. I'm going to turn to the back page and just do... All right. So our job, I want you to do 1, 4, and 7. Yeah, so let's practice making the box. This is a 3x3 grid. When you're trying to make 3 boxes, you only draw 2 lines. I know it seems weird, but whenever you're trying to make 3 boxes, you only draw 2 of the lines. So I draw 2 vertical lines, and then I did 2 horizontal. The upper left box is not used. So x plus 1 and x minus 5. Okay, and these you're doing alone. 1, 4, 7. All right, I'll do number 1, and then we can stop recording. So, x times x. 1 times x. Do I have to put the 1? No, I really don't want you to. Negative 5 times x. Yep. And lastly, 1 times negative 5. So, the 2 like terms are going to be the x to the first powers plus x minus 5x minus 5. X squared minus 4x minus 5. Okay. So go ahead and continue on. Get all of these done. I'll turn the video off.